Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect a double-wall wood stove pipe to your wood stove safely and effectively. Using a double-wall wood stove pipe improves heating efficiency and reduces fire risk. Let's dive into the installation process. First, let's talk about why you should choose a double-wall wood stove pipe. Double-wall pipes have an inner and outer wall with insulation in between, keeping heat in and reducing the risk of fire. Start by positioning your double-wall pipe. You can place it closer to walls due to its better insulation. Ensure you follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Next, measure and cut the pipe to the correct length. Fit the inner wall onto the wood stove first, then slide the outer wall over it, leaving space for insulation. Secure the pipe to the wood stove using screws or bolts. Make sure the connection is tight and secure. Now, connect the stove pipe to the chimney. Fit the inner wall onto the chimney, followed by the outer wall, ensuring insulation space. Ideally, your chimney should be straight up through the roof for easy cleaning and ventilation. If not, use a chimney elbow to make the connection. Once everything is in place, it's time to test the connection. Light a small fire and check for any smoke leaks. If you see any, it might be time to call a professional. While you can install a double-wall wood stovepipe yourself, don't hesitate to call a professional if you have any concerns. Proper installation is key to safety and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fireplace and wood stove tips. Stay warm and safe.